Hi friends, Namaste. I am Anjane from Uma Suresh Agencies and today we are going to discuss about the lymphedema pump. This is the socket of lymphedema pump and this is the on-off switch of lymphedema pump. First we put the socket and then from the socket we ensure that this switch is on. So the moment switch is on, there is a blink in the dial in the display. Now this patient is of requiring arm sleeves. We have to ensure that the whole arm, the palm is open, it is not fist. The palm should be open and we put this arm sleeves full arm in the area. Now the problem is that our patient has a small arm. So what we will do is we will not put the last socket, otherwise all the sockets have to be put, and then after putting this we will put the zip on and ensure that the zip there is a barrier in the zip so that it doesn't open and fall back. Now after doing this we will take one part of the arm sleeves from up and the other part from down. We will ensure that Mariam is getting up and she is comfortable and the arm sleeves is going right away. Now after this product, this is the pressure gauge. We have kept the pressure at 150 mm Hg and this point is the mode point. Okay, and we don't have to touch the pressure gauge. Here there is a two knobs, one is start, the other is stop. So we have to start the product, and once we start the product starts inflating with air. Okay, we have to ensure that the patient is at utmost comfortable. आप comfortable है madam? Okay. And then after one or two rounds we will be able to ensure that there is a rhythmic flow of air inside these chambers. Now the fourth one, because our hands are small, we are not using this, that is why we have removed it. So you can feel the air coming out from the fourth one. Okay, now again this will go in the same manner from first, second, third and fourth. So this is the first one. Madam, you are comfortable, madam? Your hands are free?
Yeah.
Huh? Now tell me, seeing this side, you tell me where is the pressure. See that side, madam? Tell me where are you feeling the pressure, madam? Here? Okay. Now where are you feeling the pressure?
Yeah.
Here? Okay, the pressure is not hurting you?
No.
You are comfortable? Okay. Now after, since I have already taken her through one round, while we do this for 10 minutes, we have to ensure that we come on mode also. So what we do is we stop the machine. We stop the machine like this, and then we press the mode button. Here we press the mode button and then we start again. Now when we start, earlier it was 1 1 1 slash. Now it is 1 2 3 slash. Now you can see the one after getting inflated it is not deflating. 2 after getting inflated it is not deflating. 3 after getting inflated it is not getting deflated. So with all these things there is a constant rhythmic pressure.
No, it is a static pressure in all the things.
Yeah. So now all the things, it is a static pressure before getting to zero. The third, the fourth chamber which is not required is also having pressure. You can feel the sound of the pressure. And now after some time it will get deflated like this. All the four chambers have got deflated. Now again it is getting inflated. So friends, this is how the pneumatic pump, lymphedema pump works with high pressure, and we will be able to ensure that the flow of lymphatic fluid goes inside. The point to remember and point to ponder is that this is a time thing. We don't have to do it for more than 20-25 minutes per sitting. So per session we have to ensure that the flow should not be for more than 25 minutes. Thank you.